Hello everyone! Another day, another dollar. Andito tayo ngayon sa Curial, dito sa Jurudong at birthday ng ating friendship na si Wina. Yan. Yan. Tatanungin natin sila isa-isa ang lahat ng bisita niya kung ano ang wish nila. O, diba? Ang mga nagmamaasim pa.
Ang mga living Barbie.
No, the living Barbie.
Hello!
Birthday wish.
Happy birthday, Tita Wina. Stay healthy and stay fabulous as always. Be happy always. And sana magtuloy-tuloy pa ang pagiging sexy. Diba?
Panalo. And one of the living Barbie in Brunei.
Hello!
Madam Liz.
Hello.
Anong birthday wish?
Ang wish ko kay Wina is, Wina, stay as you are, still pretty, slim, at saka ang bait niya, no? Ang bait niya. Sana ay maraming blessings at putol!
Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you.
All the best to you! All the best to you, Wina!
Okay, ayan. Kumusta ang manok?
Masarap.
Anong birthday wish mo?
Happy birthday, Wina. Sis Wina, happy birthday. Wish ko good health and more birthdays to come and enjoy your life. God bless. Ito pa yung manok ko. Patakot.
Isubo mo ang manok. Marie, the muñeca. Anong wish?
Wish ko as always be strong, Sis Wina. Ipaglaban ang dapat ipaglaban. Strong always.
Paglaban talaga.
Paglaban mo daw, Day. Sabi niya, paglaban mo to.
Queen, ayan. Barbie. Anong birthday wish mo kay Madam Wena?
Wish ko good health, happiness, and good life in the future. Long live!
Ang mistika ng Brunei, Madam Jasmine. Anong birthday wish mo sa birthday girl?
My birthday. Mahal. Kailan tayo? Ang gusto ko lang sa kanya, any love.
Hello, Madam Aisha. Donyang Donya. Anong birthday wish?
Birthday wish ko, sana palaging maganda.
At saka,
Pangalagaan ng sarili.
at sana dumating na ang forever.
Ng forever.
Amen.
Sana all.
Hello, Madam Edna. Anong birthday wish sa birthday girl?
Kay Wina, happy birthday and good health and best wisdom and
Masik.
more birthday to come.
And then, press na press.
Sa taas sa baba.
What is your birthday wish? The birthday girl.
Saya ucapkan happy birthday to saya punya kawan Rowena. Saya kawan sudah 10 tahun. Kami ucapkan hari ini hari jadi untuk Rowena. Semoga panjang umur, murah rezeki, sehat walafiat. Kami berkawan selamanya dunia dan akhirat. Thank you Rowena.
How do you sing happy birthday in Malay? Can you
Ya, selamat hari jadi.
Okay, thank
Semoga
you.
panjang umur, murah rezeki. Bye-bye.
Madam Nora, the forever beautiful. What is your birthday wish?
Okay, my birthday wish to Wina. Even though I just knew her for how many months ago, but she's
a very good friend of mine. So I would love to say happy birthday to you, even though I just knew you. Berapa bulan? How many months?
Dalam setahun lah.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
3 months, 4 months.
Maybe 3 or 4 months, but she's a very kind person, very sporting, and I love her. So
Okay.
happy birthday, girl.
Thank you. Madam Wina, the birthday girl.
Hi, good evening. Alright, first of all, just wanted to say thank you for everyone for coming, for their presence, for the effort, and of course, yung mga may regalo man o wala, I'm still very thankful. I'm so glad and overwhelmed that everyone I did invite that they come over. So I'm so happy and overwhelmed that you guys were around during my little day, this special day, and along with my grandson.
Oh, yeah. Happy birthday.
Thank you everyone.
Another day, another dollar.